Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Samsung TV remote not working. Let's go. Turn on the camera phone. Point the remote at the camera. Press the buttons. If the light is flashing, then the remote control is working properly. If the light does not blink, replace the batteries. If the light does not blink after replacing the batteries, then the remote control is not working properly. Replace the remote control. If the light is flashing, but the TV is not responding, then the infrared receiver on the TV is broken. What to do? Use the Samsung Smart Remote or use a virtual remote. Install any virtual remote control. Connect the virtual remote control to the TV. To use the virtual remote control, your phone and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's it. Now you know how to fix Samsung TV remote not working. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.